Ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Welcome once again to our YouTube channel of the Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. Today's question is this: can an unbeliever be saved after he dies? If so, how? The answer is, an unbeliever cannot be saved after he dies. Why? Because he has reached his point of no return. He committed the unpardonable sin which cannot be pardoned now and for all eternity, for rejecting the supreme love of God for him by the death of God's uniquely born Son, Jesus Christ, on the cross. Christ is the only way to salvation, and rejecting him dooms the unbeliever to eternal separation from God and eternal condemnation. John 3:36, John 3:16, Acts 16:31. While the unbeliever was still on earth, God gave him 1,000,000 opportunities to be saved by just believing in Christ. But he used his volition not to. Therefore, he is just a product of his decision.